Hey, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Today we're going to be taking a look at this Macan 4 EV. We're going to take a look at this stock right down here and all that it controls. So let me get in. Is already turned on. So this stock down here is going to control multiple functions. If I press the end of it here, you can see that it brings up this screen in the left binnacle. And I can toggle by pressing that button through these different items. So let's do adaptive cruise first. If we keep it there, and after just a few seconds, it will bring up the adaptive cruise icon down here in the dash. And through this paddle down here, as we're driving, I can set the speed by pressing down or up. It will show the speed in here that's saved, and then I can always increase or decrease a mile an hour by pressing up or down. I can cancel by pressing away or resume by bringing it back to me. This paddle again adjusts the distance between the car in front and myself. If we go to speed limiter, this is where we can actually set a speed. Again, we can set it by pressing down. You can see up here it shows auto 15. I can increase or decrease that. That will actually set a speed at which the Macan will not exceed. And be aware of that if you happen to set it by accident, because you'll get to that speed and then the Macan will not proceed any faster. So to cancel that, again, I could just press the stock away, and as you can see up here, it changed from green to this gray color. That means that it's off. If we go over here to the hill descent control, this is if you're at the top of a hill and it's very muddy or icy or snowy. You can basically stop at the top of the hill, select the hill descent control, and then as you'll see this set here. If you press the stock forward, just press the stock downward, that set button will light up. Now when you accelerate, if you accelerate very slowly and keep your speed, say at 1 to 2 miles per hour, and take your foot off the gas pedal, the electric pedal, it will actually hold that speed going down the hill. So it's kind of nice, so you don't have to put the brakes on, you don't have to accelerate any faster than you're comfortable with. It'll just hold that speed. Again, you can always cancel it by pressing the stock forward, and then up here we see that it's grayed out again. So that's, you can also then turn everything, those items off by just going down to the off, and then you can see that the icons up here on the dash are no longer there. So that's what this function does. One last thing is that you can also easily, there's a button underneath here to turn on your active lane keep. If I just press that button, you'll see up here that the active lane keep icon appeared. If I press and hold that button, that turns off active lane keep, and that way I will not be bothered when I go out of the lanes without using the turn signal. But if you like that function and like to have it on, just press that button and it will come on and be there. And then if you do happen to veer out of the lanes without using the turn signal, you'll feel it in the steering wheel and have an audible sound. So that's kind of what that function does, what that stock does. If you have any questions about it, you can reach out to me, Randy Wade at Porsche Colorado Springs. My mobile number is 224-770-1060. That's 224-770-1060. Thanks for watching.